Hi friends, welcome to Nishchala's Kitchen. With summer making an early appearance this year, let's embrace the warmth with a delightful homemade chocobar. Join me as we bring the essence of the season straight to your kitchen. Let's start the process. Take half liter full cream milk. Set aside quarter cup of the milk and boil the remaining milk. Now in a cup, take 2 spoons of corn flour and the milk that we have kept aside and mix it thoroughly to ensure a smooth consistency without any lumps. Take a bit bigger bowl so you can mix it comfortably. Now our milk is also boiling simultaneously. We have to keep stirring the milk while boiling, just like how I'm showing in the screen. Now add 4 spoons of sugar to the boiling milk. For half liter milk, 4 spoons will be perfect. Also, add 2 spoons of milk powder and make sure you mix the milk really well after adding the milk powder. Otherwise, it might stick to the bottom of the pan. Keep stirring slowly to ensure that sugar and milk powder are blended smoothly with the milk. And keep the stove in medium flame. Now, add the corn flour mixture that we have prepared and kept earlier. Do remember your stove must be in medium to low flame. Now, after adding this mixture, make sure we have to keep stirring it continuously. Otherwise, it will stick to the pan and it will thicken excessively. We should not keep any other works while we are preparing this chocobar at home. We have to be right near the stove and we have to keep stirring it. This is the desired consistency. Now we have to melt the chocolate. Here I am using a pressure cooker and melting the chocolate in a double layered method. You can use any thick bottomed pan. I took a Switzerland chocolate that I was having at home handy. You can take 4 5 rupees dairy milk chocolates that are easily available in the market. And due to the steam generated from the water beneath, the chocolate melts evenly in the double boiler setup. See how nicely our chocolate got melted. See, our chocolate is melted so nicely. This is the consistency that we are looking for. Once this chocolate is ready, now we have to take chocolate molds. In case if you are not having chocolate molds, you can use these small disposable teacups and pour the chocolate liquid inside and give it a good mix. Just we have to ensure that the chocolate is coated nicely inside the cups. You can use a spoon and spread it inside the cup. It need not be uniform or it need not be in the right texture or nothing. Just roughly take a spoon and spread the liquid inside the cup and keep it ready. That's it. Now keep these cups in the deep freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we have to transfer the boiled mixture of milk, corn flour, sugar and milk powder that we have prepared and kept it ready. And when it comes to room temperature, it becomes thick like this. Into the same mixer jar, add 3 spoons of fresh Amul cream. See, I'm using Amul fresh cream here. I'm adding 3 spoons. And we have to just pulse it and take it. We shouldn't blend it for a long time. We should just give 2 to 3 pulses and turn it off. And I'll show you the right consistency how it should look like. See, this is the way we want our milk mixture to be. Now pour this into the cups that we have prepared and kept it in the deep freezer. Now fill the cups with milk mixture up to 80% capacity. See, just like how I'm showing in the screen. Now, as a final step, garnish it with small choco chips. I just grated the chocolate and I'm adding it to the cups here. Cut small pieces of aluminium foil in the size that you are seeing in the video and cover the cups with this aluminium foil. See, prepare all the cups in the same way. I'm just placing the foil over the cup and I'm just packing it up. That's it. See, just like how you're seeing here. And keep small holes like this to insert the ice cream sticks. In case if you are not having ice cream sticks handy, you can also take a spoon and just you can keep the spoon inside the cups. See, I'm having the ice cream sticks handy because I get it for my daughter's school projects. So I'm using the ice cream sticks. Spoons also would do the work. But if we keep the sticks and give, they would just look like the store-bought ice creams. See? Now, after placing these sticks, deep freeze it for 8 to 9 hours. And after 8 to 9 hours, if you remove the aluminium foil and see, they just look like our store-bought chocobar. See, I'm just peeling off the paper cup and then we are done. See how tasty the look itself is. Just look at the way how it is looking. We are not sure what they add in the store-bought chocobars. This is the best way, isn't it? Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. And in case if you like it, please do share it with your friends and family members. If you haven't subscribed to Nischala's Kitchen yet, do subscribe for such healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.